Today I will be making video about Black Thomas office chair, which is one of the best chair in my opinion sold on European market. So let us begin first by unboxing the chair. We'll try to open it with my hands. Here we can see insides of the box. Now let's take out the components. Here we have seat handle. Here we have another seat handle. Here we have legs. Here we have nuts and bolts. Let's open it. Wheels from chair. And what is this? The chair cylinder. Now we take out the other components of chair. Here is the, I think it's the bottom part of the chair, the cushion. Let's take this out carefully so I don't damage it. Like that. It looks pretty nice. And then all that is left, I think that's all. No, here's the back part of the chair. And here we have the handle which can be set up chair. Like that. Now let's take a look at the manual. Here's our chair. I already had this chair before and I must say it's very well chair for 50 euros. Your back can really rest in the vertical position and it doesn't hurt when you sit long time on it. Here we have some precautions. And let us begin by assembling the chair. The assembly of chair lasted around 15 to 20 minutes, so the video won't be so long. I have speeded it up with some music and I will talk when I assemble the chair. me just tighten the screws in, and the chair should be soon finished. Right. The last thing to do is to assemble the upper part of the chair and the legs. So I will put the legs, and now I can just put the upper part of the chair on the cylinder, and the chair should be ready. Like that. Now let's take a look at the chair. It's a great chair. My personal opinion is that for 40 to 50 euros is great chair, because this back seat has very good ergonomics, and the back doesn't hurt, and you sit straightened up, so it's very good for your back. The chair also has handle which can raise the chair like that, and we can also pull in the handle or pull out the handle, so we can lean backwards. We can also change the resistance for leaning backwards here, so if we are heavy we must push harder to lean backward. I hope you liked the video. This is really one of my favorite budget chairs. I would recommend everyone who is on budget and wants a solid chair where you can see longer duration. Thank you very much for watching, and if you liked the video, subscribe.